Hey you guys, Brad with Safe Fast here to show you guys the TrafFix retractable and reflective cone barrier. This thing's great for a lot of reasons. High density ABS plastic, 3 1/4 inch loops on the end, which makes this a universal kind of placement. You can use this with a lot of different cones. Works really good with the 28 inch EnviroCone, also by TrafFix. Yeah, we'll extend it for you guys and show you how the thing works. And you guys, the great thing about this bar is it does extend from its original 4 feet here. As you can tell, all the way up to 10 feet. So this is really gonna eat up some spacing if you need some barricades. For example here, I just have a couple of cones behind me. 3 1/4 inch hooks. This is designed for it, but it goes over a lot of different cones. As you can see, you have a lightweight portable barrier. It's gonna make your job sites a lot safer and a lot easier to maneuver as far as moving these things around as needed. Thanks guys. To get pricing and product information, go ahead and check out the link below. I really appreciate it. Thank you.